What a baby's first poo can tell you about their future health. An alien report: what newborn poo can tell us about lifelong health. Very serious. Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where humans have discovered, apparently, that a baby's first poo can predict its future health. You heard that correctly. The first thing a newborn does after birth might hold more medical clues than a spaceship's black box. Scientists from University College London have been analyzing thousands of these tiny nappies of density in what they call the baby biome study. Apparently, the bacteria in a baby's first poo could determine whether it grows up with strong immunity or frequent doctor visits. You can't make this up. So here's what happened. Researchers studied stool samples from over 3,500 newborns to see how early gut microbes form and what they mean for long-term health. They discovered that newborns start life completely sterile, and within a few days their guts become a microbial city bustling with bacteria. Which microbes take charge in? Those early days seem to shape everything from how a baby's immune system develops to how often they get sick later on. In fact, babies whose first poo contained certain bacteria, such as Bifidobacterium longum, were about half as likely to end up in the hospital with respiratory infections. Apparently, those little microbes are microscopic superheroes. Let me paint this picture for you, space observers. A baby's gut bacteria are basically the architects of its immune system. They teach the body what to attack and what to ignore. But the way a baby is born changes the entire script. Vaginally born babies receive beneficial bacteria directly from their mothers, while those born by cesarean section often miss that microbial gift. The result is different starter colonies in the gut. C-section babies tend to have more bacteria commonly found in hospitals instead of mom-approved microbes. The difference might explain why these infants are slightly more prone to allergies, asthma, and infections. Apparently, not all births are created microbially equal. But wait, it gets better. Scientists are now debating whether humans should intervene. Some propose giving newborns probiotic supplements or even transplanting beneficial bacteria to help balance the gut early. Others warn this could cause unintended consequences, since no one fully understands how these microbes interact yet. For now, the scientific advance is simple. Don't panic and don't start swapping newborns with random bacteria. But one thing is certain: Earth's scientists are now treating baby poo like liquid gold for medical research. Apparently, humans have finally realized that the key to lifelong health might have been sitting in a diaper all along. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. The study's lead scientists believed these early gut settlers could even influence brain development, emotional regulation, and the risk of diseases like diabetes and Alzheimer's later in life. In other words, a newborn's first poo might someday help predict mental health, metabolism, and immune resilience. Researchers are calling it the first microbial fingerprint, a biological signature that could guide personalized medicine from day one. Imagine that, fellow aliens. Humans are unlocking the secrets of their future by studying their own excrement. Apparently, this species never ceases to surprise us. This is Commander Zix, reminding you that on Earth, even the tiniest biological events can ripple through a lifetime. Keep your sensors tuned, fellow observers, because here, even a baby's first poo tells a cosmic story about survival, science, and the strange brilliance of human biology.